again, it's Pete from Capricorn Dancer. Showing you another spot. This is the south side of Middle PERCY, White Bay. We were around West Bay earlier, getting out of the southerlies, and the winds changed to a northerly, so we've moved around here. Beautiful. That's the South PERCY Island. Stayed there a night, haven't done any droning there yet. Plan to come back here on the way back home and spend a bit more time around these on the northerly, on the southern sides. Crystal clear water again. Like good snorkeling. Most of the other boats moved around here. Up to the top of the winds are strong. That'd be good snorkeling around that area. Went and had a look over the western side. There's another bay over there. I think it's 2 bays. This first one I flew to, we would go anchor in there. That'd be good for a day visit. The reefies. Sorry about the music. That's all I can get on this video editing channel I've got without doing copyrights and stuff. Going to is NORTHERLY Island, and as we can see these, I think I might have to go to my open pie first. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. Nice little shore break there too. Wind. Back to the boat.